2, 1, action. All right, what's your name?
My name is Nate.
And yours?
Winston 2, W-R-2.
Okay. And now, Nate, can you tell me what this is?
This is a cable car moving right and left.
Right and left. So where does it start?
It starts here to there.
And it ends there. All right. And then Winston,
Yes?
can you explain to me what our program does? What does this block do?
There's Bluetooth set speed 100.
And then this one?
Turn right.
Oh, the one right before.
Oh, turn. You can repeat forever.
Repeat forever.
Turn right for. Never mind. Turn left.
All right. And then can we see it in action?
Yes, sir, boss.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.